Designing Interactive 3D Boxes in Spline AI. Welcome to this in-depth tutorial where we'll explore how to create stunning interactive 3D boxes using Spline AI, the revolutionary web-based 3D design tool that makes professional-grade interactivity accessible to everyone. Step 1. Creating the foundation, your first 3D cube. We'll start by creating our basic building, a simple 3D cube. Locate the plus icon in the Spline AI editor. This is your gateway to adding new objects. From the drop-down menu, select the cube primitive. Watch as your cube appears in the 3D viewport, ready for customization. Before we proceed, let's familiarize ourselves with the 3D space. Hold the Option or Alt key while dragging to orbit around your scene. Use the Space key to pan and scroll to zoom. These navigation skills are essential for working effectively in any 3D environment. For professional finishing touches, we'll soften those sharp edges. While Spline's bevel controls might vary, entering Smooth and Edit mode gives us advanced control over vertices and edges. These subtle refinements make all the difference in creating a polished, realistic 3D object. Step 2. Bringing your cube to life with materials. Now let's add some personality to our cube through materials. Open the Materials panel on the right sidebar. Here's where the magic happens. Click the plus icon and select Color to add your first material layer. For more advanced texturing, explore options like Image, Gradient, or Matcap layers. The color picker gives you complete control over hue, saturation, and brightness. Want to create a consistent color scheme? Convert your color to an asset. This allows you to apply it to multiple objects and update them all simultaneously. These can add incredible depth and realism to your designs. Step 3. Creating engaging hover interactions. First, create a new state. Let's call it Hovered, where we'll modify the box's color or scale. Beyond color changes, consider rotations, animations, or even revealing hidden elements. The possibilities are endless. The real magic begins when we add interactivity. Select your box and open the Events panel. Click plus to add a new mouse hover event. This will trigger whenever users move their cursor over your box. Now, let's define what happens during this interaction. We'll add a transition action to smoothly change properties. Configure the transition to animate from the base state to your hovered state, adjusting duration and easing for the perfect responsive feel. Step 4. Adding depth and dimension. To transform our flat cube into a more compelling 3D box, we'll work with depth. In the Shape panel, locate the Extrusion property. This controls how much the face extends along its normal. Gradually increase this value to see your box gain dimension. Step 5. Duplicating for impact, creating multiple boxes. Single boxes are great, but arrays create real impact. For quick duplicates, use Ctrl+D or CMD+D. But for professional arrangements, the cloner tool is your best friend. With cloning types like linear, radial, and grid, you can create stunning patterns in seconds. The grid type is particularly powerful. Set your X, Y, and Z counts and spacing to build complex 3D structures. Remember to convert to instances for optimal performance. This treats clones as references to the original, keeping your scene light and responsive. For advanced users, Boolean operations offer another creative avenue by combining multiple cubes into complex shapes. Step 6. Exporting and sharing your masterpiece. Your interactive creation deserves to be seen. Spline offers versatile export options to suit any need. For web integration, use the public URL or embed code. Perfect for websites or platforms like Notion. Need static images? Export as JPG or PNG for presentations. For dynamic showcases, create video recordings in MP4 or WEBM format. Developers can export as code in frameworks like React or 3.js for deeper integration. AR enthusiasts will love the USDZ format for iOS experiences, while 3D artists can export as GLTF or OBJ for other software. Adjust resolution, FPS, and compression to optimize your output. Pro tips for professional results. Before we conclude, here are some professional secrets. First, always mind your polygon count. Keep it low for web performance. Use instances whenever possible. They're game changers for complex scenes. Simplify materials without sacrificing quality. Design subtle, polished animations, sometimes less is more. Name your objects logically for easy navigation. Save versions frequently. You'll thank yourself later. Explore Spline's asset library to speed up your workflow. And there you have it. From basic cube to stunning interactive 3D boxes. Have fun pushing the boundaries of interactive design.